Good morning, friends. Sheila here with Homework Models and Trailer Builders. We are here for episode 18 of Coffee and Construction. We have got so much progress on this space. I'm super excited to show you. We have windows and doors. Woohoo! So we got the windows in and the door in. They're almost completely done as far as being set in place appropriately. Our project manager is working his tail off on this project. We're so proud of him. We also had a pre-drywall inspection this morning and that passed with flying colors. Awesome. Okay, so up for this week is going to be our insulation and some more electrical, and then they'll finish the siding on the front, and then hopefully by the end of the week we start drywall. It's going to be an incredible transformation. I'm not taking you inside today because I'm going to surprise you with it later in the week, but enjoy the view of our beautiful casita. Thank you, friends, again for joining us on this journey. We really do appreciate that you're here with us for Coffee and Construction, episode 18. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.